Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to reduce the PDF file size. So in order to do that, all you have to do is make sure that you have the file. In my case, I have the file, and go to a website called ilovepdf.com. Just enter it. And there you will see an option. Here you will see multiple options. There is a compressed PDF, that means reduce file size while optimizing for maximum PDF quality. In case if you don't see that, you can see that option separately in this upper bar. Click on a compressed PDF. As you click on compressed PDF, all you can also do is drag and drop the file and also select the PDF file. So I'll just drag it and drop it here. So to make sure that I have reduced the file size, first let's check the original size. So it's 30 KB. Okay, we're done with this one, and we'll compress this one. So that was the 30 KB, and let it be reduced. And when it is completely reduced, it will automatically be downloaded, and we'll go and see it in Finder, and we'll check the size of it. We'll click on get info, and that way you can see it's 18 KB. So it has been reduced around 12 KB from its original size. So if you can say that this website, that is ilovepdf.com, usually works. Sometimes what happens, people want to ultra compress their files. We have been working on that. You can re-upload the files and compress them, but it doesn't work like that. There are certain websites which compresses your PDF file, but they are paid. So you can re-upload it and compress it, but you won't get the results, because there will be a point where it will stop being much compressed. So it would be my suggestion to compress the file at a maximum, and because some websites require it to be uploaded in certain MBs. So I have faced this problem, and I think maybe other people will need this video. So for that reason, I have made this video. If you think you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe this channel, and we will catch you up in the next video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.